The heat transfer medium used in some chemical plants is water or steam, that is, at -20 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. If the process requires a temperature higher than 110 degrees Celsius, it needs to be replaced with heat transfer oil for heating, and the entire equipment also needs to be replaced. For low temperature conditions, most of them use ice salt baths to cool down. Usually the lower limit is -30 degrees Celsius, but actually it can only reach -20 degrees Celsius. If lower temperatures are required, cryogenic methods must be used, and equipment and media need to be replaced. Higher and lower temperatures will increase the cost of the process, so when choosing a route, try to choose the refrigeration and heating temperature control equipment for the synthesis process whose temperature is between -20 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius. The Sundi series refrigeration and heating temperature control equipment can realize temperature control from -100 to 300 degrees, with superior performance, high precision plus or -0.1 degrees Celsius, highly intelligent temperature control settings, and customize suitable models according to actual conditions.